Hey Velomobile fans, if you've ever had to adjust the brakes on your Velomobile, you know it can be a bit of a pain. There's a cylinder with a screw on one end, and that screw pinches the cable, and that screw can be quite a pain to adjust. So my colleague Axel found this solution. You tighten down these two bolts on the side, not easy to do with one hand. He recommends to about 5 Newton meters, and it's much easier than to tighten this clamp. These are available in my shop, www.northlandvelo.nl. They're sold singly, so you'll want to order 2 when you order them, assuming that you have 2 brakes and would like to continue to have 2 brakes. I have a whole bunch of them in stock. They're used in the marine industry, and I have to machine them down a little bit so that they'll clamp tightly. And yeah, best solution for your brakes. If you choose to do this and install them yourself, be sure, of course, to double check that your brakes are operating properly before you go riding, because the last thing you want is to lose your brakes.